What's good, YouTube? It's your boy C-Rob, man, back in the building, bringing y'all yet another AirMax review and on foot. And also at the end of the video, I'm gonna put a full fit together for y'all, man, with these shoes that we about to introduce, all right? But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any in my vlogs or AirMax unboxings or on foot reviews. I appreciate the support from y'all, man. But none other, we're gonna go ahead and introduce y'all to the pickup that we got today. Introducing none other than the AirMax 90 in the Volt colorway, as you can see by the box. We're gonna go ahead and get right on into this review, man. All right, let's go. All right, folks, let's get right on ahead into this unboxing. Like I said, this is the AirMax 90 in the Volt colorway. Let y'all take a look at that right there. That's my size in 12. Now, I actually tried these on when I picked them up, and they do fit true to size. Sometimes I go a half size up in AirMaxes just because they're a little tight around like your 4-foot area. But here we go. That's how they came in this box. It's a small box. So they did stuff them in here. But this is a small box, man. They actually got the arch supports on the inside there. I'm gonna just pull those shoes out. Yeah, they just kind of threw these in there a little bit. They do have the cushion and everything, the paper in the toe of the shoe, but this is the shoe. Shut up, Siri. But that's the shoe, man. This Volt colorway is dope. They got it, like on the inside of the tongue. They got the little Nike little decal hanging out the side of the shoe there. They got the Volt on the inside of the tongue as well, and it's all over the bottom, as you can see. Yeah, this was a dope colorway, man. I really didn't, I wasn't feeling the grapes, but besides they came out in women, so they didn't have my size anyway. But I wanted this colorway because I missed out on the 95s, which I liked a whole lot. The Volt colorway that they had in those is like a reverse Volt colorway. I'll throw a picture up right here, somewhere like that, those 95s that I was talking about. But we're gonna go ahead on and we'll just do a little B-roll footage on these real quick, and we're gonna jump right on into the on feet, man. All right, let's go. All right, peace, my bad. I ran off a little bit too soon. I wanted to show y'all how to actually install these anatomical arch supports that Nike put in the box for you. Basically what you do, there's a left and a right, basically, and they're labeled. I'll show you that. That's the right one. And as you can see, that one says, it's got the L on it for left. There you go. So what you do, you take the left shoe, take out your insole. I couldn't think of the word for a second there. You take out your insole, and there's actually a designated spot on the insole for the arch support. So there's actually a piece of like 3M tape that comes with it. You peel the back off. Make sure we got the one that says left again, like so. There's a slot for the 3M tape on the back. And once you get it on the arch support itself, there's another piece of film that you have to peel off like that to actually stick on to. Now make sure, like I said, you got the right one. So this is the left one, and there's a little point right there, so you know you're putting it in the right position. So just take it there. I'm gonna try to turn around so y'all can see it, and put that right in the box, and everything just lines up perfect, man. Now I never tried these out before, but I'm gonna try them out with these since they came with the shoes. I'm gonna try them out, and after I do the on feet and everything, I'll let y'all know what they feel like. So, but that's how you install the arch supports, man. You just throw your insole back in there. Okay. Take the paper out. Throw your insole back in there, and you're ready to rock. All right, bam, that's one. Now we're gonna do the right side. What's up, baby?
Hey.
It's my wife coming in from the gym. I should have took my butt to the gym this morning too, but I wanted to bring y'all this video. Bam. Film is off. Make sure the pointy side goes with the pointy side. Again, that's the right side. Bam. And it's on there. And so go back in the shoe. Like I said, we're ready to rock. Now we're gonna get to the on foot section of the video. All right, let's go, man. All right, folks, that's gonna bring an end to the video today. Man, do your boy a favor, man. If you like what you saw today, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. That way you don't miss no reviews or on foots or vlogs that your boy might drop, you know what I'm saying? And what y'all really think about this Vogue colorway with the 90s, you know what I'm saying? Was y'all feeling them? Did you cop? Did you want to cop and they sold out in your size? Do you think they're gonna do a restock? Let the boy know down in the comments below, man. And like I said, I appreciate the support. Thank y'all for tuning in again. It's your boy C-Rob, and I'm out. Much love. Peace.